In 7.5, we need to make a snowman by using the dot command. And we saw this in class. And the dot command has a parameter of radius. This is like size. So you can see it right there. So I'm just going to comment out my code. And the first step is to create a background. And how you do that is you make a dot that is really huge. And you pick a pen color. So in this case, I want my background to be, let's go, I like purple. And then I'm going to make a giant dot. And this is where you get to mess around with the size a little bit. Let's see what 100 looks like. Not big enough. Let's try 200. I'm going to speed this up. Okay, so let's try 300. 300 looks like it's the size. Yep, that is. Okay, and then we need to make 3 white dots and move forward in between those dots. So now we're going to make the snowman, and I just like to comment out my code. You could make functions for this, but we don't need to on this step. And one thing I didn't do was change the color to white first. And let's just see what the size looks like right there. That's not big enough. Let's try 100. Probably a little too big. Let's try 75. And this is a good way to just mess around and test sizes. And then we're going to copy the same process, but we got to move forward first. So I'm going to say move forward 100, and we'll see where that takes the turtle. That looks a good spot. Notice there's a line because I didn't pick the pen up. I'm going to make another dot, but this time I'm going to make it about 40, and we'll see how big that is. That looks pretty good. We're going to have to move forward for the last dot because it does it in the center. And let's go about 60. A new dot, and we'll make this 120. That looks pretty good right there. So that's it.